Good afternoon, automotive fanatics. It's Peter, your automotive fanatic, coming at you guys with another product review for the Model Y as well as Model 3. Now, many of you subscribers, including myself, are iPhone users, and we have a good assortment of Android users as well. One of the things that I do like about Tesla, at least for the newer generation, is that they include a wireless charging area for your iPhones as well as your other Android devices. The only problem with the Tesla's wireless charging is it doesn't put out a lot of power. To me, it is a trickle charger. So I searched quite some time to try to find a good case with a good wireless charging system for the Tesla. I ran into a company called MagBak that provides an assortment of different cases for phones as well as charging connections for the Tesla and some other cars as well. So let me go ahead and introduce you guys to MagBak. This is going to be their case. This specifically is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's for my wife's phone. I have one for my 13 Pro. And if you guys take a look, this is a case that I really enjoy using. It fits exceptionally well on the iPhone. The feel of this is really nice. It has like a little slick, silky feeling on here, and it's hard for you guys to see, but what I do like about this specific case, the corners are actually raised, so when you put your phone flat on its face, it doesn't contact a flat surface at all because these are raised. The other thing is it protects your rear lenses here, so huge plus. Now, the other thing that is very vital to wireless charging, this is a MagSafe compatible phone, meaning that it's got the wireless connection right in here, as well as built-in magnets slash metal, so that you can charge your phone and connect it to other accessories. I paired up that wireless case with MagBak's wireless charger. This here, spoiler alert, I went ahead and already installed it in the Tesla as I wanted to make sure I could test it and properly show you guys how to use it. Now this here, if you can see, it just connects right onto your screen. It comes with a long cable, and what I like about this wireless charging setup, MagBak actually gives you a power supply. So it's a PD 30 watt power supply that gives this ample amount of power to rapid charge your iPhone as well as some other phones that have wireless capabilities. Now, it's not going to be as fast as some of the rapid chargers, but it's better than what Tesla provides you. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I installed it into the Tesla, and then I will finalize it and let you see what this looks like. With the center console trims removed, you can see where I have run wiring essentially in between the trims as well as the center console. I continue to route all the wires to the very end and into the center console through a little hole. Here is the final outcome of the wiring job. There's just a little wire that appears right up to the top, but otherwise you cannot see any of the wiring, and it is a nice and clean install to the very end. So with the install of the MagBak wireless charging base here, again, it's just attached to my screen. They give you legitimate 3M backing on here, so it's on there. You can see my screen kind of moving along, so it's in there. And then you guys saw how I had wired it. It isn't too difficult to do, but I found that to be the best way to hide your wires. Now with the phone, essentially all you do, just stick it right there, and you can see it immediately starts to charge. So you can put it like that. You can turn it this way if you want, and you kind of see that it just snaps right into place. Now this, I can turn my screen so that you guys can kind of see. You can take it off, you put it back, and I will tell you, this is not going to move. It's in there very securely. So I essentially just kind of tilt it up to pull it out, but again, the charging capabilities, it's going to go ahead and charge right away, which I really love. Now the other thing that I had forgot to tell you guys is with each case, they give you this little piece of steel here, and you can 3M this anywhere, and what it does is it just connects right to the phone like that. And let me tell you guys, it's really strong. I am going to try not to break that loose, but you can see how strong it holds my phone just for this here. So if you don't want to do this, you would rather try to put this somewhere else, that is strictly up to you guys. But I do really love this here. It charges really quickly and it fits just well. So we'll turn it off and I can rotate it, and while I'm driving, I can essentially see the phone very easily for emergency purposes. So hopefully this is going to be a good case for you guys to pick up. In addition to the MagBak charging setup, I think both of these are wonderful to work together, but it's going to be a great setup for you guys to use. Make sure that you do use my discount code for the purchase if you are interested in something like this. I will link it for you guys, and as usual, thanks for watching and supporting my channel.